This is the Cirrus Research outdoor kit case. If you're using your sound level meter, the Optimus Plus environmental or occupational sound level meter, and you need to monitor externally, i.e. outside in the elements for any length of time, then you're going to need one of these outdoor kit cases. The idea of these is they provide weather protection for your sound level meter. They also, as an addition to that, allow you to monitor, to measure for an extended period of time, and I'll show you why when we have a look at it in a bit more detail. So this is a black case, fully weather protected, and let's have a look inside. So it's got two clips on the side, which are easy opening, and one thing you'll notice if you look down from the top is they've got two holes on either side of the case, and these are really good for allowing you to actually lock the case with a padlock or a chain or something like that, to basically make your outdoor case secure so it doesn't go wandering off into other people's hands. So now that I've unlocked it, let's have a little look inside. And like with many or most of our products, you get calibration certificates in an envelope like this, and you'll also get a thank you card from Cirrus Research, which has got product and warranty registration details on the back. I would encourage you to register your products with Cirrus Research so we know who you are, so it's useful to take note of that particular card. So this is the kit. We call it an outdoor measurement kit, and it comes in two versions. Well, actually strictly more than two versions, but basically two versions. One version without a modem and a version with a modem. And the version with a modem allows you to connect to it remotely, look at the noise levels live from your PC, and basically you're just using the Noise Tools software to do that. So we'll have a look at this in a little bit more detail to see what you get. So this particular one we're looking at today is a modem option. So you can see the blue thing here is the modem. We've got two lead acid batteries. You can also get lithium ion batteries as another option in here, slightly more power. The way these two lead acid batteries work together, you get about 12 days of power on this before they'll die out. If it was lithium, you'll get an extra day or so, but the advantage with lithium is it's much lighter, because you can imagine lead acid batteries are quite heavy. Also in the case, you get a battery charger. So whether you've got the lithium ion batteries, or in this case the lead acid, the battery charger with its own power supply enables you to charge the batteries whenever you need to. So it enables you, this kit, to put your sound level meter in this slot here. You've got a slot for your calibrator, for your preamplifier, and in the lid here we have our outdoor microphone.